friends, how are you? Maybe all of you are fine at your home. My dear students, today we are going to learn several examples related to addition of two matrices and multiplication of two matrices. In the previous lecture, we have learned about how to multiply two matrices. So today we are going to start several examples related to it. Now we know that how to multiply two matrices and how to add two matrices. Remember that number of columns of first matrix and number of rows of second matrix are same. Then we multiply both matrices, right? And in the case of addition, order of both matrix must be same. એટલે આપણે એવું કહીએ ને કે પહેલા મેટ્રિક્સ ની કોલમ અને બીજા મેટ્રિક્સ ની રો એની નંબર ઓફ રો અને નંબર ઓફ કોલમ એટલે એની સંખ્યા ઇક્વલ હોય તો જ મેટ્રિક્સ નું મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન થાય, બાકી ના થાય. તો એડિશન માટે તો માત્ર બંનેના ઓર્ડર ઇક્વલ હોવા જોઈએ. ઇટ મીન્સ ઓર્ડર ઓફ ધ બોથ મેટ્રિસીસ આર સેમ. Then we add both matrix very well, right? So that is addition and multiplication. So let us see now how to solve the question. First example number 1. A matrix A is, I give the matrix A as 2 cross 2 matrix 2 4 3 2. This is the first matrix. Second matrix is B equals to 1 3 minus 2 and 5. 1 3 minus 2 and 5. Third matrix C is, or the given third matrix is minus 2 5 3 and 4. Minus 2 5 3 and 4. These three matrices are given. Then find the matrices. Find the following matrix. Find following matrix. Which kind of matrix we have to find? The question is this: A plus B, that after A minus B, that after 3A minus C, that after A into B, and at last B into A. We have to find this kind of matrix. Let us start with A plus B. A plus B is the matrix that, see here, 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2. So let us start with A plus B. So first matrix is A plus B. Addition is very simple, my dear. Nothing to do. Just add element wise addition. It means first row add with first row, first row's first element, first row's first element. So simple addition is there. So that is 2, 4, 3 and 2 plus this matrix is 1, 3, minus 2 and 5. Okay, so addition is very simple, my friend. This is what? This is 2 plus 1 and 4 plus 3. Similarly here 3 minus 2 and 2 plus 5. Add element wise addition. It means first row add with first row, second row add with second row, and element first row first element, here also first row first element, first row second element, first row second element. So simple addition is there. Like a fifth or sixth standard, you just solve this kind of addition. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 plus 3 is 7, and 2 plus 5 is 7. So done. So the question is over now. So A plus B is very easy here. Similarly, we may find now A minus B matrix. A minus B means subtraction of both matrix. See here, A minus B. It can be written as A plus minus B, my friend. Remember that subtraction, it means addition. But minus B, that's why we may say that is additive or it's a additive inverse. So this is additive inverse. And remember that in the case of matrix, minus B means this minus sign multiply with all the elements. Okay, so I just write element wise. Matrix A is 2, 4, 3, 2. All the elements I write. Matrix A plus. Matrix minus B means minus 1, minus 3, plus 2 and minus 5. All the elements multiply with the negative sign. And so is very easy now. 2 minus 1, add this 2 minus 1 4 minus 3, that's one. That after 3 plus 2, and finally 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5. See here. I repeat once again. Minus b means I just multiply all the elements with negative sign, and that after addition. And addition is very simple. 2 minus 1 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, 3 plus 2 is 5, and 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So, it's so sweet of example. So, this is the first thing, a plus b. This is the second thing, a minus b. Third thing is 3a minus c. I hope you understand it easily. 3a, that means this matrix is multiplied by 3 like this. 3 into matrix A means 2, 4, 3, 2, and plus minus matrix C. And so this 3 is multiplied with all the elements. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, and 3 2s are 6. See, it's very easy. Plus minus matrix C. Minus matrix C means multiply it with negative sign. So 2 minus 5, that after minus 3 and minus 4, and let us add this matrix. So that is 6 plus 2, 12 minus 5, see here, 9 minus 3, and 6 minus 4. And so the answer is 8, 7, see here, 6 plus 2, 8, 12 minus 5, 7, 9 minus 3, 6, 6 minus 4, 2. તો મજા આવે છે ને આ બધા દાખલામાં? આ બધા સમ બહુ ઈઝી છે. આ સમ સોલ્વ કરવાની તો મજા જ આવે કેમ કે આમાં સિમ્પલ એડિશન સબટ્રેક્શન છે. નાઉ થર્ડ થિંગ ઇઝ મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન. લેટ અસ સી. a into b. a into b means 2 4 3 2 into matrix B means 1 3 and 2 5. 1 3 and 2, sorry, minus 2 5. 1 3 and minus 2 5, right? Okay, now what is the process of multiplication? See here. First verify that number of columns in first matrix is same as number of rows in second matrix. Now the multiplication process is what? First row, first column, like sing the song. First row, first column, first row, second column. Second row, first column, second row, second column. See here, like this. First make L, first row, first column, first row, second column. Or I just here we derive in this way. First row, first column. See here. Then 2 into 1 plus 4 into minus 2. First row, first column, first row and second column now. So 2 into 3 plus 4 into 5. First row, second column. Now second row, first column, 3 into 1 plus 2 into minus 2. And second row, second column, 3 into 3 plus 2 into 5. And so the process is now 2 minus 8. See here. 2 minus 8, 3 minus 4, that after 6 plus 20, 2 3s are 6 plus 5 4s are 20, 9 plus 10, and so the answer is minus 6, 26. Here is minus 1 and 19. So my dear friend, A into B is this. Now also you can write B into A. B into A is what? Is multiplication of matrix B and matrix A. So I think you can solve it yourself easily. Matrix B into matrix A. So matrix multiplication is a very easy process here to find. Now in the next example, B into A. So how can we find B into A? As we discussed here, B into A means multiplication of matrix B and multiplication of matrix A. So that thing is in homework now, and now let us start the next question. Take the screenshot relative to the example also yourself. Now second example. Example number 2. Let us see. Calculate as given. First one. It means first is the matrix like this: A, B minus B, A plus addition of two matrices, very simple thing, AB and BA. So my dear friends, what do you think? It's very simple result, just add. This is a standard 3 type of example, just A plus A, see here, B plus B minus B plus B and again A plus A. What is this? This is 2A and 2B. This is 0 and again 2A. Okay my dear friends, I just write one more step after that. I will take 2 common from each and every element. Remember that in matrix you can take common from each and every element. See here. This is the new thing to learn. Otherwise addition is very simple. Now second question is this: A square plus B square, A square plus C square as first column. That after B square plus C square and A square plus B square again as second column, plus here is minus 2AB, plus 2AB and minus 2AC as first column in second matrix, and 2BC and minus 2AB as second column here. So this is the addition. So nothing to do, just again add, simple result. So let us add this. This is now A square plus B square plus 2ABC. Then after here also B square plus C square plus 2BC. And see here, this is A square plus C square minus 2AC. And A square plus B square minus 2AB. My dear friends, what do you think? This is perfect square. See here, all the terms are in form of perfect square. You just write all the term as perfect square if you know that. I hope you know that very well. So this is A plus B whole square. This is B plus C whole square. This is A minus C whole square, and here is A minus B whole square. It's very easy now. Now third question is this. Here we call it minus 1, 4, minus 6 as first column. Minus 1, 4, minus 6. First row, sorry. Second row is 8, 5 and 16. And third row is 2, 8, 5. And plus one another matrix is given with addition. Here 12, 7, 6 as first row. That after 8, 0, 5 second row. And 3, 2, 4 as third row. I think the solution you solved yourself in homework. થઈ જાય ને ભાઈ કે કરાવવું પડશે આ થઈ જાય ને આ તો સારું થર્ડ સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ નું મેથેમેટિક્સ ચાલુ થયું એવું લાગે -1 + 12 4 + 7 -6 + 7 you are too intelligent to solve it. Fourth one, તો આમાં થોડુંક આપણે સ્પીડમાં જવા દઈએ. Fourth example is also the similar one, but let us see a trigonometric terms are that cos square x and sin square x. Cos square x, sin square x is there as first row. Second row is sin square x and cos square x. That after plus sin square x, cos square x as the first row. Sin square x cos square x as first row and cos square x sin square x as second row. Let us add this. So addition is very simple. I think you know that is trigonometric identity. Nothing to do, just write this addition as cos square x plus sin square x. I hope you know better than me. Sin square x plus cos square x. Similarly here is sin square x plus cos square x. And that after again cos square x plus sin square x. My dear friend, all the value represent 1, 1, 1, 1. So the matrix is 1, 1, 1 and 1. Very easy to solve. So all the questions are very easy here. Now in example 3. Example 3. Multiplying the following or expand, it means multiply the following matrices as per given. Multiplication is there. Multiply following matrices. The first one is again very simple. AB minus BA into A minus B and BA. A minus B, BA. So this multiplication you have to solve yourself in homework. Second, I just write a different kind of matrix is there. Then let's solve 1, 2, 3 as column matrix. See here. Now is interesting. Column matrix is there. Into row matrix is given. Okay, it's very interesting. See here. What do you say? Now read it as 3 cross 1 and 1 cross 3. See, interesting thing is this. This matrix, what the order? Order is 3 cross 1. Order જોઈ લેવાનો બધા મેટ્રિક્સ નો 3 રો 1 કોલમ અને આનો ઓર્ડર તો તમને ખબર છે 1 ક્રોસ 3. તો તમારે જોવાનું number of columns are 1 and number of rows here are 1. So these are must be or this both must be same. So resultant matrix શું હોય 3 cross 3. So 3 cross 3 is your resultant matrix. Your resultant matrix is 3 cross 3. See here. હવે આપણે જોઈએ resultant matrix 3 cross 3 how we get. તો તમારે આમ જ ચાલવાનું. First row, first column. See here 1 into 2. First row L બનાવવાનું. First row first column. First row second column. તો first row second column પૂરું, કઈ એડિશન નહીં આવે. First row third column. તો first row third column. Second row first column. Second row second column અને second row third column. પછી આવશે third row first column. Third row second column અને third row third column. આમ થઈ ગયું પૂરું. This is the way to write. And just to find it, what is this? This is nothing but 2, 3, 4. That after 4, 6, 8. See here 3 2s are 6, 9 and 12. So see, the matrix is 3 cross 3 matrix. So my dear friends, multiplication is the process where you have to multiply a row with the matrix, a row with the column, and that after you can easily find out the proper multiplication. So just to take a screenshot related to it also. Here the last multiplication is this, so just to take a screenshot relative to it. Okay my dear friends. Okay, now in next example, let's move to the next example. Before that I also just take a screenshot relative to it. Remember that just to take a screenshot related to it is helpful to you when you fulfill with your notebook this all of the thing. Okay, so next example, let us move on it. Or the third one here, third example. Let us see the third example. Third example is 1 minus 2 as first row, that after 2 3 as second row, and into multiplication with the matrix 1 2 3 again, and 2 3 1 2 3 1. First of all, we have to think that the multiplication is possible or not. That after we try to find out the multiplication. So what do you say? This matrix is 2 cross 2. See here. And this matrix is 2 cross 3, my dear friend. Number of columns in first matrix, number of columns in first matrix, same as number of row in second matrix. That's why multiplication exists. And what the resultant matrix? Resultant matrix is this. 2 cross 3 is resultant matrix. So before multiplication, we know very well that what about the resultant matrix. And now let's find that resultant matrix by using a simple multiplication rule. Actually, I have to select the simple multiplication. What the rule? First row, first column. તમારે column આની જોતી જવાની. પહેલી columns, બીજી અને ત્રીજી. એટલે first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column પૂરું. Second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Let us multiply with first row and first column. 1 into 1 plus minus 2 into 2. First row, first column, first row, second column. 1 into 2, I just write minus 2 into 3. Actually plus minus, but minus. That after 1 into 3 and minus 2 into 1. I repeat once again. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Complete. Now second row, first column, 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2. See here. Second row, first column, 2 into 1, 3 into 2. Here 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. And 2 into 3 plus 3 into 1. Okay. See here, this is 2 cross 3 matrix. Just to solve it now, this is now 1 minus 4. See here, this is 2 plus 6. This is 2 minus 6. And this is 4 plus 9. This is again 3 minus 2. This is 6 plus 3. And finally, the answer is minus 3, 8 as first column. Minus 4, 13, second column. 1 and 9 as third column. So I think it's very easy. See, your resultant matrix must be 2 cross 3. So 2 cross 3 is the resultant matrix. So question is very easy. Multiplication is also, I think, easy process if you solve several examples at a time. Now fourth one. Let us see fourth one. First matrix is given as 2 3 4 3 4 5 in the consecutive order the numbers are given, and 4 5 6. And this matrix is multiplied with the matrix. Another matrix is given as 1 minus 3 5. 1 minus 3 5 first row. Second row is 0 to 4. 0 to 4. And the third row is 305. 305. Let us see. So multiplication is what? 3 cross 3. So 3 cross 3, and resultant matrix is also 3 cross 3. See here, this is 3 cross 3 matrix. This one is also 3 cross 3. So when you calculate, your resultant matrix must be 3 cross 3. Yes. Okay, so what the multiplication is? Again, the rule is very simple. First row, first column, just apply the rule. 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 3. See here. First row, first column, write all the elements alternatively. 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 3. That after first row, second column, 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 0, first row, second column. First row, third column. 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4 and plus 4 into 5. Right? Now second row, first column. 3 into 1 plus 4 into 0 and plus 5 into 3. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. 3 into minus 3 plus 4 into 2. Just to see second row, second column. Plus 5 into 0. Okay. Now 3 into 5 plus 4 into 4 plus 5 into 5. Now last row, third row, first column. 4 into 1 plus 5 into 0 plus 6 into 3. Similarly, 4 into minus 3 plus 5 into 2 plus 6 into 0. And third row, third column, 4 into 5 plus 5 into 4 and plus 6 into 5. So this is multiplication of this matrix. So too long process, but finally it comes to the end. What is this? 2 plus 0, see here, plus 4 3s are 12. 3 plus 0 plus 15, see? 3 plus 0 plus 15. That after 4 plus 0 plus 18. And that after here, minus 6 plus 6 plus 0. Minus 9 plus 8 plus 0 here. And minus 12 plus 10 plus 0. Similarly here, 10 plus 12 plus 20, see here, 10 plus 12 plus 10, 2 5s are 10, 3 4s are 12, 4 5s are 20, 3 5s are 15 plus 16 and plus 25. Similarly here, 20 plus 20 and plus 30. So finally write the total answer whatever you have. So the questions are very easy. Now I just give you two more example in homework. Fifth one is, or fifth example is 2132, 2132 and minus 11 into, given another matrix is 101, 101 and that after minus 1 2 1. And sixth example is 3 minus 1 3, 3 minus 1 3, minus 1 0 2, minus 1 0 2 into, now the matrix is 2 minus 3 1 0, 2 minus 3 1 0 and 3 1. So try to solve this both example in homework. I hope you easily solved both. Actually the method is important. So multiplication is actually easy task, but if you understand it properly then, otherwise it's difficult to calculate. Okay my dear friends, so here we stop now. In the next lecture we will meet with the next example. Till then, goodbye and take care.